Machine gun! Punch!
That is truly amazing!
That's the punch! Domon!
How will you counter?
Chibbity's blazing thoughts. I can feel it. I can feel your dream. And therefore I will multiply. Burning shadow!
You're kidding. There are several of him. Hey, the training helped out. All right.
Chibity, if you're gonna punch me 10 times all at once, I'll become 10 Gundams to counter your attack!
You overcame my specialty technique.
Chibity, your hunger ignited a fire within me.
The stronger you become, the more fierce I become. You're a great rival.
Yeah, that's right. That's what makes you Domon Kashu. And that's why I want to defeat you. Okay then, come on, it's your turn now.
Okay, here goes.